Hello dear students, welcome back to this session. In this session, we are going to see the activity 2 which you can see at the top of the page, and then we will see Microsoft Windows operating system. Finally, we will see the technical fact. So let's start the session. The A question in activity 2 is find out and name the operating system that is developed in India. The answer of this question is Bharat Operating System Solutions. Bharat, BHARAT, operating, OPERATING, operating system, SYSTEM, solutions, SOLUTIONS. B question is which operating system is used in your school's computer lab? Dear students, in our computer lab we use Windows 7 operating system. So write down Windows 7 operating system. Windows, WINDOWS. 7. You can write the digit 7. Operating system. You can copy it from the question itself. Third question is it a single user operating system or multi-user operating system? Children, in previous session we have seen that Microsoft Windows and Mac OS are the examples of single user operating system, and Unix and Linux are the examples of multi-user operating system. We are using Windows 7, it means that the operating system is single user operating system. So write down single user operating system. You can copy the spelling from the question itself. Now just below the activity 2, the evolution of Microsoft Windows operating system is given. So let's see that. Microsoft Windows operating system. Microsoft Windows or Windows is the most popular operating system. The first Microsoft operating system was developed in 1980s, and since then many versions of Windows operating system have been released. Its different versions are, you can see the figure or the table given below. The first Windows operating system was Windows 1.0. It was released in year 1985. Then Windows 3.1 was released in 1992. Windows 95 was released in 1995. Then Windows XP in 2001. Windows Vista in 2006. Windows 7 in 2009. Windows 8 in 2012, Windows 8.1 in 2014. Dear students, Windows 7 is very popular among these operating systems, and then Windows 8 is also widely used. Now let us see the technical fact which is given just below the table. The technical fact is Windows 10, codenamed as Threshold, is the latest computer operating system. Remember this point, Windows 10 is the latest computer operating system. It is developed by Microsoft and launched on July 29, 2015. So, Windows 10 is the latest version of computer operating system. It was developed by Microsoft company, and students, this is very big company. Microsoft is a very big company, and it launched that operating system Windows 10 in 29 July 2015. So that's it for today. I hope you understood the entire session. In case of any queries or doubts, feel free to contact me on my personal number. Thank you.